stupid? You think I don't know what love is?
You know, dude, all you had to do was keep your mouth shut and say nothing.
Starting right now, it's a new OKKO, Let's Be Heroes. And open your Cartoon Network summer.
We interrupt your normal programming. This is a national emergency.
Please stand by. Gian The Video Maker 2009 will be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by.
Greetings, viewers. I am sorry that we had to interrupt your normal broadcast, but there is a global emergency going on right now. People have been causing drama and pointing at me, making me stressed. This drama has been reported in the following countries, all of them. This has been tearing apart my life and I don't think I can handle this any longer. As of 3 p.m. today, I will be deleting my channel. This will cause a large rumble comparable to a nuclear blast to be felt across the world. Earthquakes above 20 on the Richter scale will occur, nuclear power plants across the world will explode, and the sun will burst into several solar spouts, setting the solar system into a blaze. This will not end humanity, but billions of lives will be lost, and might kill humanity depending on the epicenter of the disaster. At this time, please prepare a shelter with food and water, medical supplies, and a radio operated by batteries. Also, gather your loved ones and pray to diminish this event. Churches are open to everyone to allow as much repenting as possible. You have approximately 15 minutes to take cover and pray. President Joe Biden is being transported to safe grounds and would be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this message. This is Onyx 1. We will be discontinuing programming. You should now be tuning to stations providing news and information to your area. Do not use the tel. Only use the tel lines for emergencies.
Earlier in the emergency action notification issued 15 minutes ago have just started occurring. All residents are to seek a fallout shelter immediately. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio with you. Tune to 10:30 a.m. for the latest information on the situation. Both the Pilgrim Station in Plymouth, Massachusetts, and the Indian Point Nuclear Generating Station in Buchanan, New York have both exploded and are causing chain reactions across the world. Holy shit.